Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? In lesson 1, we have done mixtures and compound. Today, our topic is the difference between compounds and mixtures. Let's start our topic. Our topic is difference between compounds and mixture. It is also question number 2, part 1. So the topic which we are going to do today is the answer of question number 2, part 1. You can find this question number 2, part 1 on page number 71. And all the answer, you can find this answer on page number 65. You can get help from page number 65. Now question number 2 is differentiate between compounds and mixtures. Answer: difference between compounds and mixtures. You have to draw the table for the difference between compounds and mixtures. First difference is in compounds, it is about definition of compounds and the definition of mixtures. So first difference is according to definition. Compounds, when two or more elements join together chemically, compounds are formed. Here chemical combination is must. While in mixtures, when two or more elements or compounds or both are mixed together that are not combined chemically, we get a mixture. So first difference is that in compounds, elements are joined chemically, but in mixtures, elements or compounds or both, they are mixed together but they are not chemically combined. Second difference is according to the properties of compounds and mixture. Compounds have different properties from their components. As the elements are combined chemically, so the compound which is formed has new properties. It does not have the properties of its components. Whereas in mixture, the mixture retains the properties of its components. Third difference is the separation. Compounds can be separated by using a chemical method. Compounds cannot be separated by simple method of separation, whereas mixtures can be separated by any physical method. For example, if you have a salad plate, you can separate different vegetables or fruits from the salad. So separation is easy in mixtures as compared to compounds. Fourth difference is that compounds have fixed composition. All the elements which are combined chemically, they have fixed composition. They are combined in a fixed ratio, while mixtures have different composition. Their composition can vary. Next difference is the examples. Water, carbon dioxide, salt and sugar, etc. are few examples of compounds. Whereas air, steel, seawater, etc. are few examples of mixtures. Yes, students, this is all about today's lesson. We have done the difference between compounds and mixtures. We enlisted 5 differences. Now your task is to do question number 2, part 1 in your copies. You can take help from your textbook, page number 71. This is all for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.